Hi, I'm Chuck Tuchardt. I'm the electronics engineer technician here at White's Electronics. I've been here for about 19 years. I help fix the test equipment. I help work with the engineers on designing test equipment. And then I help the engineers on designing and doing R&D for new metal detectors. So I do a little bit of everything. Oh, by the way, I'm an Oregon Ducks fan. Okay, today I'm going to talk a little about the development of the new MX Sport loop. First we started out with a vacuum form process which we have here at White's, and we can use this to turn around a loop fairly quickly, but it takes some time because we have to cut out a form and stuff and then vacuum form it. Well, this was our first try at designing a new loop, and we call it the boat anchor for a reason. It's really heavy. And we got it down the design, and you might see this fairly closely designed to what's on the Treasure Pro. At the same time when this was going on, we're also experimenting with the new 3D processes, and we're coming up with new different designs and stuff to try them out in the ground and stuff to see which one would give us the best response in the ground. And we found that some have pros and cons. Some reject ground better, some don't go as deep, some go deeper, but you miss small targets and stuff. So as you can see, they come in all shapes and sizes. What's good about 3D processes now, we can turn them around again, like I said, very fast, and we have a place up in Portland that does that for us. So we can send them, shoot them the design up there, and they can send this one back to us in about a day. And then we put it together and take it outside and try it out. The 10-inch double D still seems to be the best balance between all these different shapes and sizes. And this was our last 3D design before we went to the actual cutting out the mold and had an injected molded housing built for us. This is the finished product from our new MX Sport. This is about 200 coils of experiments that we did to get to where we're at. We try different epoxies, we try different windings. In the process of all this, though, we do a lot of testing. We have what we call an iron duke, and we bang it around out there. We try different epoxies, we try different windings and stuff to hone it in to get the best loop we can possibly achieve here at White's Electronics. What we wound up was with a 10-inch double D.